cures must continue because 1 in 5 children diagnosed with cancer in the U.S. will not survive. Your support helps St. Jude give kids with cancer a chance.
It has been a very tough journey for such a small little girl if it wasn't for St. Jude and the donations. I don't know where Maisie would be. Courageous. Love you.
Help St. Jude find more cures for your children. Call, go online, or scan the QR code with your gift. Become a St. Jude partner local right now.
There. It's your doctor. With
stick. You install. I'm gonna try to install. Let's see here. It's hot to see wax stick is melting. Pull out those baby hairs, but not right now. Beauty Forever wig, 7x5, 18 water wave, pull on and go with a drawstring wig. And today is Juneteenth. I guess you think Juneteenth, wear your natural hair. I did all day, so I'm like, okay. But I'm like, how many events do I have to? It's warm. I can't wear this during the day. It's a nighttime activity kind of thing. And there's a Juneteenth, a spades tournament. I was gonna go drag show. I might go drag show. I don't know. Because the thing is, my favorite soul food truck is gonna be at this spades tournament, which is why I'll probably want to go to that. Okay, and I see this right here, which is where I normally. This is what I'm trying to split right there. There we go. And I'm trying not to run the AC so y'all can hear me if I say anything, because otherwise, regardless, me finding music is very not likely. Like all the hairs from over there. Okay. And so 7x5 means it goes to about here. We are going to use, I'm somewhat, I think y'all know, I try not to use Ebin. I have never used an Ebin because of the controversy with it. The wig store, they were like, summer heat, sweating, use Ebin. So I'm like, okay, fine. And they're like, put it in something and use a brush. So I'm trying to take the top off. Use a brush to apply it. So I have a little bowl I'm putting it in, which I don't know. I have the frontal green here. I guess maybe I could have tried that instead of giving in to the enemy, I guess you could say. I need to get up. I'm gonna put this over here. that hair right there is gonna be. So I'm gonna kind of see where I need to put it right there. Did I clean my? I didn't. Let me get an alcohol pad because I did use a toner literally and just put everything on, but now clean my hairline. Okay, yes. This has to be from the wig, from the cleaning, or putting the foundation on my wig because I'm like, I have nothing on me right now. So, okay, so normally I'm gonna go right there, really pull forward. So I'm gonna push it back right now. I'm using this, I never used this brush. I think I've used it once, y'all saw me do a video. So I have a little. This is very strong. The smell. So I don't even know if I have to go that far since it's not. Unless I make. Okay, it's getting sticky already. It's as hot as it is. It shouldn't take long to dry. But yeah, I did see some people with wigs at the Juneteenth event because, you know, black people don't wear wigs. But I was just like, it was way too warm for that. I don't know how many degrees it was. Luckily, we were kind of in a warehouse, so it's outside and in. Okay, some of it's not sticky anymore. I'm like, did I miss the window? I waited too long. And a lot of them, I know with the glue, they put more than one layer to glue. I'm like, this isn't glue. But I do see them do that too. So maybe I let it dry too fast. Can't touch the thing because it's gonna just lift. I have fuzzies all over my hand otherwise. Let me take this out while I'm waiting a few more seconds. Beauty Forever, they gave me a melting band, gave me this. And I washed this last night. I haven't put any hair perfume in it, but I washed and I conditioned it. So the conditioner probably. Okay, to me that's the sticky that you need, so I'm gonna go and pull it on now before it dries again. And then okay. You see how it's not flat right there? I have to flip my mirror. Aren't you lying flat? You're lying flat beforehand. So I know it's a little bit more than. And now we're going to use the frontal cream. Okay, I'm understanding. Time to smooth this. And gently. Apparently that was too much to ask. So yes, I don't miss having hair, even though I never had that problem with hair because my hair was long, but I never put it in a clip. Okay. Okay, I'll leave all this stuff right there. Okay. Oh, this one is 150%. I guess they had a 180. It's thin. It's definitely thin. When I was washing it, I could tell it's thin, and it sheds more than the golden brown highlight one, which you think would shed more, because when you lighten, as you bleach or lighten hair, it's more fragile, whatever breakage and stuff like that. So you think that one would shed more. This one has been shedding. So it's nice. I just don't know how long it's. Because luckily it's hot, so it's not like any of my human hair ones or any of them. Like I said, if I wear, it's gonna be at night or somewhere where I know I'm going from AC to AC. I'm not doing a lot of walking. Like today, I had to walk because where I was going, I'm like, I don't know if this is inside or outside. I didn't know. And luckily, like I said, it was inside outside. They had fans though. There's a lot of pockets of coolness. So I was not uncomfortable at all. Like I would say, the only time I sweating was literally getting back into my car afterwards because cars held all that heat all the time. And when I'm not home, I don't crack my windows in my car. Sometimes if I'm home, I crack it very, very, very little. Sometimes I'm at work, very, very, very little. Like there's other cars here for the people to steal. Like my car's pointless. You won't get very far because of the weird things that it does. I'm just like, it's not, and it's not like a 0 to 100 kind of car. We'll spray it with the air perfume because I do smell it. which usually takes a few washes or wears to finally, because I did sit it outside today. I should have while I was out. Oh, another hair perfume. I know Rui, I think it's called Rui, Ouai. I don't know how to say that word. They have a new mist. They have a hair and body mist too. And I did smell that while I was in Sephora last doing an exchange. And it was nice. I forgot what it was called. See, I just like the wave is nice. And I probably concentrated a little too much just now. I think that's what I was gonna do. I was gonna do a little makeup. Okay. Somebody said if it doesn't stick, then it's good. But so, for some reason, like this coming off was, it was on there. So I had to go under and pull this part off. Okay. And there's the, what do you call it, baby hairs. Put this down. Let's see the comb. I need to turn it from that because I can't see. I have gel, so we'll do that since I never use it. Oh yeah, this is definitely like, I wouldn't say solid, but it's now this Trick Daddy and Trina song in my head. You know Nan. I'm like, when's the last time I heard that song? It's not like they played that at the Juneteenth event. It's not child appropriate because they had a family section, like a family day part, and then grown folks business kind of part. I'm like, okay. Can't see without my glasses. Okay, it's still coming up a little bit. Yeah, it's definitely up a little bit right there. I don't think nobody's gonna be that close. So that's baby hair right there. And then, where's that brush? That pat on my hand. This is the Danessa, old Danessa. My old one that I'm not using anymore because I got a new one. Because if y'all see, I don't know if y'all can see, it's a little bit up right there. Like you can see a little bit right there. Let me first go to Ruby because I need the lighter side and not using my Charlotte Tilbury. See, like everything is soft, has melt because of this heat. I'm like, had a whole... Yeah, I realize that now. So yeah, everything is soft. I can hope they have a section who's like, okay, you're not playing, because I don't play spades, and for various reasons. I don't want to learn. People are very cutthroat about that. Then let me kind of... And then I'm going to also go into the other side of that. Yeah, everything is soft. I'm guessing by now y'all definitely see all the Knicks one and all the parades and everything crazy. I'm a Knicks fan, the family's a Knicks fan. And I was like, I know I have a hoodie, like a winter long Knicks hoodie that's, I think it's maybe switchable inside out, whatever. But I was like, I don't have anything for like warm months. And then I find the jersey finally later from Marbury, number 3. I'm like, okay, I had this the whole time because I think it was right next to the Cowboys jersey that I have. So I was like, it's a little snug, so I didn't wear it out. And it was a hot day. I would have been smelling like so bad from sweat. So I obviously did not wear that out, but I did take a picture. I'm going to... this is whatever's on the foundation brush. And I see that sheen right there. Just because I didn't get to do anything else. I should have been using the contour. I'm going to use the contour brush. It's just the powder part, which will also set that Danessa I'll put right there, just the longer along the edges. Like I said, I don't usually gel, so this is together. We're figuring this out together. I don't usually lay edges. Yeah, I'm like, because you're right there. Okay, I see that part is coming up too. And most of it's glue, it's just those edges right there, which I'm not gonna worry about. I'm gonna try to pull this up here. And then, I guess you just take a little. That might be too much right there. I'm not squeezing it, so I don't know why I did all that. And then just put a little on there. Let's use my finger. And then pull this out. No, I don't know how to swoop it. They be doing it like they... So you bring it down, and then... Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't think it really matters. Let's see the other ones that's over here. I know I have more over here. I don't know where they are. They might be all up in there. Yeah, I don't see them, but I have some over there. And this is very hard right now, so it's not hard, but it's very clumpy. I don't want that, so, okay. It's kind of swoopy. Gotta go down and then swoopy. That's what I see them do. So, kind of like that. It's something. Wipe this off my hand. And the thing is, it's that kind of weather where it's going to be kind of natural sweat's going to do all that anyway. Some of this, that's why I'm like, I'm not worried about. And this right here. Yeah, it's drying down. Stepping a little in there. Yeah, it's probably my fault. Something I did with the wig is probably maybe too snug. Because I think they said that bunches when it's too snug. I said luckily it's a dog bar. I wanted to wear these with this. So it's just like, because I had these on earlier. I took one off while I was taking a nap. Was that lay on that, lean towards that side? So yeah, I could. But it did look good while I was doing the hair, wearing those hoops. So that's why it's like okay. Again, these are good for wherever I end up. The bar, either bar. So I don't think you put food into the drag place. It's a gay bar. It's just a drag show. There's a lot of drag shows at gay bars in town. If you've never been to a drag show. And so, like I said, I like the water wave because it's kind of summer. It's a summer look for sure. And the edges don't matter so much because it goes down the side. So even if I go like this, it's covering right there. If I go up like this, I'm trying to think if I want to moisturize this some more. Yeah, let me grab a moisturizer real quick. I'm gonna put that right there so I remember that I have that. We're gonna break this up into 2 videos, obviously. So you can see the back of it if y'all hadn't seen it. Let me see with this leave-in conditioner. Smells like what it's gonna do. Because I'm running out of, but that is moisturizing. Yeah, I like. So I was having this conversation with a friend of mine the other day, and I was telling him how I thought somebody was hot. And he's like, so you want to get with him? And I'm like, no, you could be attracted to somebody and not work to get with them. Have no interest in getting with them. I have no interest in getting with this person. And he's not just hot, but I like kind of his things about his personality. He also happens to be young. I haven't, no. But anyway, how I know him is why I would not put that in jeopardy or whatever for him or for the community or anything like that. But like I said, I have no interest in this person. Like I have not had any ever. My friend is just like, and I'm like, I don't know if that was jealousy or whatever. him, like, not, but he wasn't understanding the concept of you could be attracted to somebody and not want to get with them. Because I'm like, yeah, it's like sometimes like you flirt with people you have no interest in whatsoever. It happens. Okay, see, that looks kind of good right there. It's not the swoop that all the girls be doing, but it's something. I'm gonna turn that off. I don't need the rest of that. Make sure I unplug it when I leave. Yeah, so like I need to buy more of this. Luckily, I just ordered something from Amazon. Did I? Yeah, because there's a little left, but it's I'm getting my arm or anything. My hair is just feeling. It's very soft. So this hair, I want to tell you for sure, it's very soft. And I don't know if that's necessarily because of how I washed and conditioned it, but it's the other one was very soft as well. Like I said, it's not shedding so much of what I'm seeing right now. Of course, I can't see everything. But, I just realized I don't have mascara on. So,